Just a quick view of a Harbor Freight 44-inch toolbox here. Some random sockets here. Some adapters, 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch. Some more smaller adapters there. Bag of sockets with nowhere to go. Oh, just more specialty sockets. Just more baseball Cornwell sockets. This weird Pittsburgh thin wrench deal. I don't know how to get it. Some Cornwell ratchet wrenches. Oh, just a few Cornwell pliers, mini pliers. The medium and then the large. What do we got? Some Cornwell screwdrivers. These are just some snap-on tire valve stem tools. Some more snap-on screwdrivers. These are cool. They're extra long Cornwell screwdrivers. This one's like, I don't even know, 30 something inches long. Pretty freaking cool. Some snap-on panel tools. Cornwell panel tool. This really cool Cornwell. It's a freaking bit set. It's got this really cool. It's got a really cool mini wrench. This is like one of my favorite wrenches. I don't know why. Oh, this is just a whole bunch of crap. Nothing too important. Well, some torque wrenches, more screwdriver bits, of course. A couple different torque wrenches. Some Cornwell adapters, 360 swivels. 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch. Just some wrenches. Really cool snap-on wrench. Pretty fancy. This is a pretty cool wrench too. I use it all the time. It's a little Cornwell. It's got a 1/4 drive or 1/4 inch drive. Both sides. You can use it like a Phillips screwdriver and then a 10 mil. It's pretty nifty. Oh, just a bunch of random wrenches. Nothing cool. Cutters, pliers, panel tools, random screwdrivers. Ooh, some Cornwell picks. Small, medium, I guess, large is what they call them. Extra large is what they call those. Those are freaking, this one's deadly. It's like a spike. If you don't have it, you should get one. Could be like an ice pick or something, I don't know. It's freaking cool. Said Dremel. Extension cord. Gotta have the eye protection. Overall, it's a pretty nice toolbox. I like it, use it all the time. I need a bigger one because I still have a bunch of stuff that's not in it yet, but those drawers aren't big enough for everything. for so much, but worth it. If you don't have it, you should definitely look into getting one. It's worth the money. I think I only paid like $400 for this toolbox, and overall it's a pretty decent toolbox. I haven't had any problems with it. The socket drawer is pretty heavy. It's not like it's not light. It's pretty hefty. Rolls no problem. Recommend it. Great toolbox. Harbor Freight 44 inch.